guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this video, I've decided I really want to show you guys how I do my look, how I do this very rosy princess look. Now this makeup look has been pretty much, like, my makeup routine has pretty much been the same, but what I changed is not the technique, it is the color palette. So my makeup look has been technically the same, but the colors have been changing to match with my hair color. So when I had brown hair, or the blonde hair too, I would use more golds and rosy tones, like more mauvey brownish tones. And of course with the red, I go full-fledged pink. I don't know whoever said that pink and red don't go together, or if you're a redhead, don't wear pink or don't have pink on you. They lied, because honestly it is my favorite combination. It is the ultimate princess look in my opinion. And I'm also going to be showing you guys how I do my hair as well. Again, my hair routine hasn't really changed much as well. This is kind of the hairstyle that I've always had. So I'm going to show you guys all of it in this video. And yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. So our video today is sponsored by BetterHelp. BetterHelp is an app that basically learns your needs and matches you to a licensed therapist, which you can talk to immediately within 48 hours. I personally actually use BetterHelp. It has been getting me through a lot of the craziness of adulting, especially in the economy that we're in now. It's a very stressful one, and I realized that having someone to talk to and learn coping mechanisms and just know myself better and how to handle the way I'm feeling better and my emotions has been super helpful. So I was actually using BetterHelp before they even sponsored this video. So I personally really recommend it. So if you guys don't know how BetterHelp works, I will break that down for you. So signing up to BetterHelp cannot be easier. All you have to do is go to their website, or you can use their mobile phone app, and all you have to do is fill out the questionnaire that they ask. That way they have an idea of who you are, and they can connect you to a therapist that meets your needs. They have over 15,000 licensed therapists, and they assign you the one that they think is a good fit for you, but you also have full control and you can switch therapists whenever you want. If you don't like going to offices like I do, I think this is an amazing option, especially if you're also very much on the go. The licensed therapists are super quick with their responses. You can message them whenever you want throughout the day and they'll get back to you pretty quickly, or you can pre-schedule a session via messaging or via video chat or phone call. BetterHelp is available worldwide, and it is much more affordable than traditional offline counseling, and on top of that they do offer financial aid. Just remember that BetterHelp is not a crisis line or a self-help, it is a professional counseling program. If you're ready to take charge of your mental health along with the millions of people that are using BetterHelp, make sure you visit www.betterhelp.com/Vil. That is betterhelp.com/Vil. That way you can get 10% off as well on your sign up. Alright, so back to the video. Let's start on our makeup. I am grabbing the L'Oreal Paris Skin Paradise Tinted Moisturizer, which leaves the most perfect, flawless, and very dewy complexion, which is perfect for the Disney princess look. Next, I'm using the Born This Way Concealer by Too Faced. This is my favorite concealer ever, and I'm just grabbing that on a brush and putting that under my eyes just to make my eyes look much more wide awake. Next, we're going to do the blush. I am using the Pixie Cream Blush Palette. Honestly, cream blush is the best option for that perfect complexion look that a Disney princess would have. So I'm using this mauve tone and applying it all over my nose bridge, cheekbones, forehead, and chin. Moving on to the eyes, I'm using a lighter pink from the Pixie Blush Palette, and I'm applying that onto my eyelid crease. Next, I'm going in for a more darker rosy tone and adding it just on the outer corner of my eyes to add some dimension. Next, I am using a white eyeliner pencil, and I am pretty much outlining my entire eyelid. I'm also applying it on my waterline just because that is the best way to really brighten up your eyes. So my go-to is this champagne glittery color for the eyelid. No matter what color palette I'm going for, that is usually my staple eyelid color. It just really looks amazing in the light and it looks so soft in person. Now I'm grabbing a light brown and I'm adding that into the crease to add just a little bit more dimension to my eyelid. Be careful, this can get really muddy, so don't use too much. Now, of course, I can never live without my winged eyeliner. I'm applying a winged eyeliner that is actually magnetic because I now use magnetic eyelashes, which you can see I'm applying here. Honestly, any wispy false lash will do. And now I'm just taking whatever was left on my brush and I'm adding it under my eyes. That way I can just add a little bit of dimension. I actually ended up realizing that my camera is not picking up the colors very well, especially the blush, so I'm trying to add on as much as I can so that way you guys can see it. So for the eyebrows, honestly, the more natural you can make them look, the better. I am just filling in the small gaps in between, and that is it. Now this is my favorite all-time lipstick. It matches my hair color perfectly and it stays on with no transfer throughout the entire day, and it's the NYX Lingerie Double XL in the color It's Hotter. And this is what the makeup looks like. So we're all done. We're gonna go ahead and move on to the hair. So my hair is already straightened, and honestly, if you want that super Disney princess hair, I really recommend extensions, which is what I have in. And from this point forward, all I do is just curl the ends of it. That way it looks like a blowout almost, and it looks super healthy and bouncy. So I'm just doing it to all of my hair, and I actually already have my side pinned back here, which I'm going to keep because I usually pin that back. And for my bangs, this is what they look like. I cut them myself. All I do is exactly the same thing. I just curl them in with a straightener, and that is it. And I also really like to fluff it out with a paddle brush once the curls have set. That way the curls just look more full and just look more soft. So here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoy this look. If you guys recreate it, please tag me on Instagram or TikTok or Twitter, literally anywhere. Tag me. I would love to see how it comes out on you. And if you guys want to see any more specific videos like this, because this was a really highly requested one, just comment down below your ideas so that way I know what you guys want to see on this channel. And make sure you stay tuned. I'm going to have a lot of vintage and princess content coming your way, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell so I can see you in the next video.